Frugal Food Storage Recipes, book by Marie Huff. Are you feeling the pressure of rising grocery prices? Do you want to prepare healthy, satisfying meals without spending a fortune? What if you could learn time-tested secrets that help you cook smarter, stretch your budget, and still serve meals your family truly loves? Marie Huff, an instructor and cookbook author with over 45 years of experience, has spent decades creating practical, delicious recipes and teaching professional food storage. Now she's sharing her knowledge to help both beginners and experienced cooks transform simple, affordable ingredients into incredible meals. Inside this collection, you'll discover over 200 amazing new recipes designed to help you make the most of what you already have in your pantry. Learn how to cook with everyday staples like wheat, oats, rice, and corn. Turn flour, dry mixes, and dry milk into fresh, homemade breads, muffins, biscuits, rolls, pancakes, cakes, and more. Create hearty soups, rich stews, and flavorful sauces that bring comfort and nourishment to your table. You'll learn how to make homemade pasta and noodles from scratch. Prepare delicious crock-pot meals with minimal effort, and create healthy tacos using special new secrets that make them both nutritious and full of flavor. Discover creative ways to cook with beans and lentils, also known as legumes, along with potatoes, cheese, evaporated milk, fruits, and vegetables. And it doesn't stop there. You'll also find amazing desserts, puddings, and pies made from simple ingredients that are easy to store and affordable to buy. These recipes are designed to help you reduce waste, build smart food storage, and prepare meals that are wholesome, filling, and budget-friendly. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be expensive. With the right guidance and a little creativity, you can turn basic ingredients into extraordinary meals. Whether you are just starting out or have years of experience in the kitchen, these innovative and delicious recipes will inspire you to cook with confidence. Learn the inside secrets to cooking delicious meals on a budget a day, and start creating healthy, affordable dishes your family will request again and again. Click the link below to get his book now.